Hello viewers, welcome to the third part of KMAP. In this video, we will learn about the minimization of the POS form of the Boolean expression. In the last part, in the second part, we have seen how to minimize the sum of product SOP form of the Boolean expression. In this lecture, we will concentrate on the POS form. So let us suppose we are given up with a function with the variables a, b, c, d, and the form of the Boolean expression that is given in the form of max terms, and these max terms are 4, 6, 10, 12, 13 and 15. So these are the max terms which are given, and we have to minimize this POS form of Boolean expression. So as we are seeing, these are 4 variables are given, a, b, c and d. So the K-map, we are minimizing this POS form with the help of K-map, and the number of cells will be 2 raised to power 4 equal to 16. So let us draw this K-map. Now you are very much familiar with this pictorial map. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. Now we have plot this M4. Now we know that this is M0, M1, M2, M3 and M4. M4 here, M5, M6 and M7. This is M8, M9, M10 and M11. This is M12, M13. This is M14 and M15. So for M4, in case of POS, as we know, POS is the complementary form of the SOP. In case of SOP, we were putting one entry for the min term. So in case of max term M4, we have to put 0 here. For M6, we have to put 0 here. For M10, we have to put 0 here. For M12, we have to put 0 here. For M13 and for M15, and rest we can leave blank or we can put 1 there. Now next step is, after plotting zeros in the K-map, we have to make the grouping of zeros. In SOP, we used to make the grouping of the ones. Now in POS, we have to make the grouping of the zeros. So what was the condition? What was the criteria of grouping? It was that first of all we have to see for the grouping of 8 zeros. Means we have to make octet. It is there? No. Then we have to see grouping of 4 zeros. Means we have to make a quad. Is it there? No. Then we have to make a pair. So pair, for pair, how we have to make a pair? This is one pair we can make. This is another pair we can make, and this 0 can we make a pair with this 0, right? When we fold this K-map, it will become a pair with this 0. So 3 pairs we are making. This is first pair, this is second pair, and this one is the third pair. Now this 0 is not making any pair with any other 0, so it will be taken as the fourth 0 without any grouping or without any pair with it. Now this is the reduced form, reduced terms. We have to write it like this: f of a, b, c, d. Now in the reduced form. Now in the reduced form, we have to write the common terms in those pairs. Now coming to the first pair. In the first pair, in the AB form, it is 0, 1 and 1, 1. A is changing from 0 to 1, so A is not common to both the zeros, but B is common because B is 1 in both the zeros, in these two. B is 1. So write, first of all, you write like this. This point is important because this is a SOP form. We are writing like this. Just write B like this, okay? B, and in the CD form, in both the cases, CD is 0, 0. So this is C bar, D d bar. Then plus, next is second, for second pair AB is common, so it is A, B, and CD, from CD, C is changing from 0 to 1, and D is 1 1 in both the zeros. So you will write as A, B and D plus. For the third pair, it is M4 and M6 0, right? So in M4 and M6 0, AB is common to both, means A bar B is coming. So it will be A bar B and CD. C is varying from 0 to 1, so it is not common. But D is same in both, that is M4 and M6. So D bar is there. D bar plus, and the fourth one is the single zero. We have to write all the variables because it is a single zero. So it is A B bar and C D bar. So this is the SOP form. We have to convert it in the POS form because the question is in the POS form. We have to write the answer in the POS form. So to write that, we have to take the advantage of the De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem. Now what is De Morgan's theorem? De Morgan's theorem states that A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar, right? And this is the first law of De Morgan's theorem, and second law states that A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So now, as we know, this is SOP form of the Boolean expression we have written in the minimized form, but we require the answer to be in the POS form. For that, we have to do the complement of this form, reduced form answer. So we can write this answer in the next slide and apply the De Morgan's theorem. Now applying De Morgan's theorem, B C bar D bar plus A B D plus A bar B D bar plus A B bar C D bar, like this. What you will get? B C bar D bar complement A B D complement A bar B D bar A B bar C D bar. Now again you can apply De Morgan's theorem here, which says that B bar plus C double bar plus D double bar, A bar plus B bar plus D bar, sorry, it is here also, A bar plus B bar plus D double bar into A bar plus B double bar plus C bar plus D double bar. Now as we know, A is equal to A double bar, so cancelling the double bar, so this is equal to B bar plus C plus D, A bar plus B bar plus D bar, this is A plus B bar plus D, A bar plus B plus C plus, this is C bar plus D. So this is the required POS minimized form of this is your answer and the minimized form. Now the terms are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In our question it was 3 and 6 terms were there. With the help of K-map we have reduced to 4 terms. Clear? So see students, you have got this answer after applying the De Morgan's theorem. Now see, after some practice you can make out from this You have written this. So directly you can come to this answer. See, POS form is the complementary of SOP. So directly you can see if B is coming common, you can write its complement B bar, then plus, because you know you are writing, you are dealing with the POS form. Then complement, do complement and write the plus or the ORing you do. So this is B plus B bar plus C bar is coming, common is 0, right? In C part, right? So do it complement, that is C. So it will be B bar plus C plus D. Then plus is again it is ANDed. Then again this will be A bar plus B bar plus D bar. See, the answer is coming like this. And again this is A plus, this is ANDed, this is A plus B bar plus D. This is again ANDed, then again this is A bar complemented, A bar plus B plus C bar plus D. So this directly you can come to the answer from the K map only. Let me explain from the K map. So when you let us I am explaining from this second pair. In the second pair you see AB is common, A is 1, B is 1, but as you are dealing with the form of POS form, so in the POS form it will be A bar, and you have to write it is P plus B bar. And in the C it is C is 0 to 1, C is not common, D is common and it is D bar. So D, it is D here, so you have to write complementary form of it, it is D. So for the second pair this will come like this. You can make out for the other terms. Clear? So this way also you can directly write the minimized result instead of going to the De Morgan's theorem. So this, applying the De Morgan's theorem, the possibility of any error is reduced, and this is for the starting people, so students which are just starting. So when you will do one or two to three examples, you will directly come to this minimized form of this answer. Clear? So this is one type of problem. Another type of problem or another type of question that can be given is in the form of ABD or ABC in the form of variable. But that earlier we have seen the question is in the form of max terms. But if the question is given in the form of variables, then how to solve it? Let us do one such an example. So let us say minimize the 4 variable Boolean expression using K-map, right? So we have to solve this problem, and in this problem we are not given any min term or max term. As we can see, this is a POS form of problem and we have to solve it. Let us see what are the various steps. Right? So in this type of question, what we have to see, these are the 4 variables given, and in the K-map 16 cells will be there. But first of all we have to see in what cells we have to make the entries zeros, in which cells we have to make the entries, and for that we have to make a table corresponding to these terms given in the question. That is, if A plus B plus C bar plus D bar, for this term, make a table like this. This is the first step for the question like this. If is given D bar is there, then cells with 0 entries, because POS minimization using K-map is totally opposite to SOP, right? So with this, what you have to do, you have to take those cells with A. In SOP you would have taken A1, B1, C0 and D0, but here you have to take A0, B0, C1 and D1. So you have to make an entry equal 0 with A0, B0, C1 and D1, right, for this term. For another term, A bar plus C plus D bar. So for this term you have to make an entry A equal to A bar, A equal to 1, B is equal to, it can be 0 and 1 both, and C is equal to 0, D is equal to 1. So opposite to that. So next is A bar plus B plus C bar plus D bar. For this what you have to do, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. Similarly for the next, B bar plus C. For this B is equal to, B has to be equal to 1, C has to be equal to 0. A and D can be any. Means you have to make 0 and 1 for 0 and 1. So you have to make a 0 entry where B is 1, C is 0. Right? Then B bar plus C bar. So it will be B is equal to 1, C equal to 1. Next is, like this you have to make a table for each and every term. So starting you have to make a table. So when you get practice to it, so you can directly make a entries in the K-map. So it will be A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and C and D can be any. So I am writing next here B bar plus D bar. So for it, B has to be 1, D has to be 1. Like this you have to make a entries, and then when you have make all the zeros entries in the K-map corresponding to these terms, then rest of the process is same which you have done in the previous problem. Right? So let us make an entries in the K-map. So for the first term, A plus A plus B plus C bar plus D, A0, B0, C1 and D1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1 and 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. We are writing 0 here. For the second, A1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. So it can be any. So otherwise it is 1, 0, 1. So B can be any. 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 1. In both the cases. But C has to be 1, 0, 1. So it will come here. Right? C and D has to be 0, 1. C and D has to be 0, 1. C and D are 0, 1. A has to be 1. A has to be 1. B can be 1 or 0. So entries are 2 here because B can be 1, B can be 0, anything. Next is 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Fourth one is A and D are 0 and 1. 1, 0. For B and C, these has to be 1, 0, which are compulsory to be given. Take those numbers and rest you can put in the other blocks. You can put 2 entries as it is. So B is 1, C is 0. B is 1, these two. C is 0, these two. B 1, C is 0, like this. Next is B is 1, C is 1. B is 1 and C is 1. These two. B is 1, C is 1. A is 0, B is 1. A is 0 in these two rows. A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0 and B is 1. A is 0. B is 1 is in this row. A 0, B 1, okay. In this row, A 0, B 1, all these has to be 1 because C and D can be any and it is already 0. So we have make 0 entries for all. Now this last one is left. B is 1, D is 1. B is 1 for these two rows and D is 1 for these two, and it is also already done. So this is 0 entries we have to make. So next step is grouping. Octet, yes, it is there. So this is one octet is there. First, right? Second, to include these two zeros, we can make this quad. This is a second quad. To include this 0, we can make this quad. Instead of making one pair, you go for quad. So this is your third quad. So all zeros are included in the grouping. So now you have grouped all zeros. Now the last step is writing the minimized form. So writing the minimized form first in the SOP form. So it is given in the F. F is equal to first for the octet. For the octet, writing A. For this A, for all the zeros, it is varying from 0 to 1 A. But B is common, write B. And C and D are varying. So for A, this octet, it is B. And for the second quad, it is A is A. B is varying from 1 to 0. And C is 0 to 1 and it is A, D. For the third quad, AB is varying and it is CD. So this is SOP form. To convert it into the POS form, apply the De Morgan's theorem, that is complementary of this. So it is B bar into AD bar to CD bar. So this is equal to B bar, A bar plus D bar, C bar plus D bar. So this is your minimized form of the expression and this is your answer. So to realize it, you can realize this using the gates. If you have any doubt, you want to ask anything, you can write in the chat box to get it answered. Thank you.